Here's how we work at McFade Photography to make your experience simple and stress-free. First, we start with a chat about your needs, what kind of photos you're after, where you'd like to shoot, and when works best for you. Whether it's in your office, outdoors, or on a building site, we'll plan the details together. On the shoot day, we'll work with you and ideally someone on site with business knowledge and who knows the team to help the process so we can capture the best shots for your needs. After the shoot, you'll have two options. Aid can send you all the photos to choose your favorites, or, if you're busy, Aid can handle the selection for you, saving time and getting everything ready quicker. Once the images are chosen, Aid will edit them for consistency, retouch portraits, and ensure everyone looks their best. The final photos will be uploaded to a cloud link, making them easy to download in both high resolution for print and smaller sizes for social media. And that's the McFade photography process, straightforward, tailored, and hassle-free.